El otro ahí.
Mira mi cielo, el chivito que está persiguiendo, ese chiquitito. Ya, se acabó. ¡Sí, mamá!
Espérate, ven, que te va a caer.
¡El negro!
Pero dáselo, si es para él. Es para que se lo dé. Pero ponlo para arriba.
¡Ay, miércoles!
A ver.
El chiquito me pega.
Ven para acá, ven. Dásela, chiquito, ven. Pero quítasela. Eres uno solo. ¿What? Sí, pero párate, papo, párate. ¿Qué? Súbela por mí, tu papá. Súbelo, no bajes, súbelo. Así, papo. No hagas tanta fuerza. ¿Tú ves?
Now stroll through the park and enjoy the beautiful gardens and animals. Now one of the areas of interest is the Flamingo Lake. There you will see more than 60 Caribbean flamingos. Looking to the left of the Flamingo Lake is the playground, petting zoo, and primate area. On the sit and go. And they're off. And they're coming down here as fast as they can. We have a real close race there, folks. They're neck to neck. All the way down. Looks like Dana's taking the lead. Buffy's trying to catch up. Down to the finish line here, and it looks like Dana's going to take it this round. Good job there, Dana. Maybe next year at this time he'll be rollerblading if we just give him a helmet and knee pads. Show him how you can turn around there, Henry. Keep it all the way back. Now macaws like Henry here, and some of the ones you see underneath the covered perches behind me, well, they can live anywhere from between 50 to 65 years in captivity. And yes, those are human years. Good job. And there you have our big wheel on little wheels, Henry the Hyacinth. Thank you, Henry. She is what's known as a Triton cockatoo, also known as a sulfur-crested cockatoo. Comes from New Guinea area. One big step, Duchess, that's all. Off you ride, Duchess. Now behaviors such as roller skating and bicycle riding. Well, this can take anywhere from between 6 months to a year for a bird to learn. They do have to develop certain muscles and coordination in their little legs in order to round the right as fast as those feet can go. Good job. Whoa, Tina, you gotta be careful you don't have any brakes. That was a close one there, Tina. You know what, you look like you're having so much fun. Why don't we turn your scooter back around, take it one more time, bring it all the way back. And here she comes. Zooming down the runway, not a care in the world. Good job there, Tina. Tina, like I told you, you gotta be careful you don't have any brakes. And there's up to the top. Be careful there, Nikki. We don't have a safety net out here today. And away you ride, all the way down, Nikki. Okay, just focus in on the American flag. Like I say, occasionally Nikki will stop and pose for a picture or two. Now, Nikki is one of our newer cockatoos here in the show. Nikki's only approximately 5 years old. Nikki has been riding the high wire bike for about 2 years now. Nikki actually is replacing our most famous cockatoo here at Parrot Junggle Gardens, who goes by the name of Pinky. Hi, Rob. Hi, Rob. Very good. Well, this morning when I came to work, Rocky, he kind of called me over to his cage. He kept saying, come here, come here, come here, come here. Yeah, and when I went over to Rocky's cage, he had to tell me something. He said he saw a little dog the other day. What was the dog again? You said you saw a little chihuahua? Little chihuahua? Little noisy. Yes, Rocky's quite an animal lover, folks. All right, Rocky, well, now that you've warmed up your vocal cords, Rocky's favorite pastime is singing. So, Rocky, do you think we could go over a few notes first? Remember those notes that we were practicing, the ones that go do, re, mi, fa. That's not bad, Rocky. Pretty good. One problem. You forgot the mi. It goes do, re, mi,